Hey, good day, folks. Josh Abramson here. Going to discuss another product that we managed to put together to help airports work more effectively. In this case, we're doing it for emergency situations. We developed a phone system that allows not just only the ring down from the air traffic control tower to the ARV station, but we also figured out and created a way to distribute that message all throughout a closed network phone system, as well as people outside that phone network and just with a regular cell phone. So without further ado, here, I'm going to show you the product. To issue an alert, you pick up the handset, you push the button, you say what you had to say, and then you hang up. So we're going to do a test alert 1. This is a test alert 1 at 9:24 a.m. Test alert 1. There is an unknown aircraft ETA, 5 minutes, no souls on board, smoke not reported in the cockpit. At 9:24 a.m. Test. This is a test alert 1 at 9:24 a.m. We've been doing some different tests. You can see that the test alert 1 has already been issued right here. Here in a couple of seconds, I should receive a transcription of the text. This is a test alert 1. There's an unknown. You'll look and see that it's not a perfect transcription, but it will give you an idea of what's going on. In this case, it says aircraft ETA 5 minutes, no souls on board, smoke not reported in the cockpit. But also, once we're still working on a redundant system here, the email has been sent. To see that the alerts come in, I can open up the voice message and play it directly. This is a test alert 1 at 9:24 a.m. Test alert 1. There is an unknown aircraft ETA, 5 minutes, no souls on board. There we go.
Okay, so on the back end, we're using a handful of products here. We're using FreePBX on the Raspberry Pi. This is the phone controller system. This makes the PA announcements. This handles the alerts and just basically handles the whole voice of the back end. I'm also using a service called Twilio, which is doing the SMS, the text messaging, and then we're using IBM Watson with a voice to text conversion. All this is handled through a system called Node-RED, and these are the ops alert system. These are the nodes that run everything that you see in the demo. We'll do a check for a email inbox every 10 seconds. When there's an attachment, that means there's an alert. These alerts are filtered out by test 1, 2, and 3. We don't want to receive any text or email messages for any test. Get a little bit monotonous. But every one of these we run through, and the nodes handle and do the processing. And this is where IBM Watson is brought into the fray. We'll do the voice to text conversion and then send that text payload out to the recipients, as well as we'll be emailing the voice messages out. There's also a little secondary system that does a check. We constantly ping all the devices on the network to make sure that there's internet connect or network connectivity, and then that's reflected in a dashboard here. You can see the alert system that all the pieces are online right now. This is a dashboard that we use for all of our systems.